Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown video, and it will also a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be open the github.com. As you can see, we already landed in github.com and we already opened a Vercel account. And the process of creating account is really simple. You just give your email and password, then it will open your account. So you don't need to be take it as difficult way. It is a simple task. You can do it by your own. So let's dive into the main step, that is create a Git. First of all, we need to be create a Git from here. Just click over here and then create a new repository. Let's create a new repository, and I will give the name will be by my name, and then I will click on public and add a readme file, and next I will click on create repository. Once I click over here, it will create a repository over that place. Once I created this, I just need to be go over here in this place, then I just need to be click over that place, and I will click on project, and then I will search by my name. You already got this name by this name. So as you can see, we need to be go over that place, and as you can see, we already create a repository. That name is Mahim, and here I am able to see it. So I'm going to click on import. Just click over here, and now you can see this is the new project repository, and I'm going to deploy it. Just click over here, deploy. The process is really simple and quick. You just need to be understand how easy the process was. Don't make it difficult. As you can see, congratulations, you just deployed a new project to AJC. So you can view it or preview it. You are allowed to use a domain over that place. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.